Hi, I'm Grant from the Pebble-Mix Company, and today we're going to be using our new Pebble-Set product. This is a one application pour-on resin which was used to hold and bond pebbles together. And anything on a loose pebble path is hold everything together and make it solid. We're just going to be doing this small area here today. We've already done these couple other areas and they're all nice and solid. So as you can see through here, we're pretty firm and solid walk on this, where you can see that we're the nice loose pebbles there. So this has got multiple applications. It is a one-step easy installation, and so we're just going to go through this and see how we do it. So firstly, what we're going to do is mask off the area. Any stains coming through. So now we've got our resin into our bucket, and so we're using two buckets. One's already got a hole pre-drilled in the bottom of it, so we get a nice draining effect. We just literally take it straight over here and we just trickle it over the area. The resin will sink in between the pebbles. And you're going to be using about 1 litre per square metre. So you find if some areas are a little bit dry, you can always go and add a little bit more straight on top. You don't need to re-prime, redo. See some other areas that we've done. I'm just going to let you pass over some of the softer areas which didn't get quite enough last time. But as we've already done these areas, it can be very compatible with itself, so you can just literally just lay more on top. Once you're done, put it back into the bucket. From here, we want to just go over with a trowel and lightly compress everything through. On the bigger pebbles, you probably don't need to do this quite so much. On the smaller stuff, you'll find you get a bit more of a smoother flattening out area. Really good liberal coverage on the whole area, and quite liberally. We can see areas here we haven't covered. It's all just going to be loose, where areas which we've covered have gone all rock solid. So you need to make sure you get a good covering over the whole area. And so the resin will sink through and it will dry in about 24 hours or so, where it's walkable the next day. And we're back next day, so nice and solid. Resin, and you can't hear a thing. So you can see that the pour-on resin has locked up all the pebbles here and we're nice and solid. So it's an easy application, one-off application. If you find that any areas are loose, you can just add more straight onto it.